Reasoning models. A reasoning model is a large language model trained to generate extra thinking steps before its final answer, spending more compute at answer time instead of responding in a single pass. Here's the same question asked to two models at once. A farmer has 17 sheep, all but 9 die. How many are left? The standard model answers instantly. 8. Wrong. It pattern matched the subtraction and never actually read the question. The reasoning model just sits there, thinking, burning through over 1,000 hidden tokens before answering 9. Correct. The second one is slower on purpose. That's the entire idea. Here's why the standard model got it wrong. It makes one forward pass through the network, ranks a handful of candidate next tokens by probability, and picks the winner. 8 simply looked more likely than 9 because the surface pattern, 17 minus 9, matched something it had seen 1,000 times before. There's no backtracking and no second look. Whatever pattern matches fastest becomes the answer. A reasoning model does something different. Before it ever shows you an answer, it generates a private chain of thought. It tries 17 minus 9, gets 8, and, instead of stopping, checks its own work. It rereads the question, realizes all but 9 means 9 survive, and verifies that against the original wording. Only then does it commit to an answer. Every one of those steps, including the ones it throws away, is a burst of hidden tokens you never see. The scale of that hidden work is bigger than most people expect. A standard model might use around 500 tokens to answer a question. A reasoning model can burn through 5,000 or more on the exact same question, and you only ever see the small green cap at the top. Everything below it happened and got thrown away before you ever read a word. All of that thinking isn't free. Reasoning models cost 10 to 100 times more per answer than a standard pass, and take noticeably longer to respond. In exchange, you get meaningfully better accuracy on hard, multi-step problems, math, logic, planning. But the gains taper off past a certain reasoning effort. Spending even more tokens barely moves the needle. So which one should answer your question? For quick facts and lookups, what year did this happen? A standard model is faster, cheaper, and just as good. For multi-step math, logic, or planning, debugging a proof, working through a migration, a reasoning model's extra time is worth paying for. Reasoning mode isn't an upgrade you leave on for everything. It's a setting you reach for when the question actually needs it. A reasoning model isn't smarter in how it's built. The network underneath is often similar to a standard model's. It's smarter in how long it's willing to think before committing to an answer. Chasing its own wrong turns, catching them, and correcting course, that entire messy process, hidden from view, is the whole mechanism. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.